Hi, my name is Peter. Today is a very special day for my family. This is my little sister Anna. She is 4 years old. She loves her bear.
This is my dad and my mom. They are happy today. We are going to New York.
We are a family of 4. We are going to JFK Airport in New York City.
We took a taxi to the airport. I looked out the window. New York is so big.
We arrived at JFK Airport. It was very big and very busy. So many people.
I looked up. The airport was enormous. I saw big airplanes outside the windows. Mom and Dad went to check in our bags. They talked to the airport worker.
Anna and I waited nearby. We saw a bright toy shop. It looked so fun. I walked a little closer to the toy shop. Anna followed me. Just a quick look. We went inside the toy shop. I found a toy airplane. It was so cool. Then I turned around. Mom and Dad were not there. I could not see them. We came out of the shop. I looked everywhere. I was scared. Where is Mom? Where is Dad? We ran down the big hallway. I called out, Mom! Dad! But nobody answered.
Anna started to cry. She held her bear very tight. I felt scared too.
I saw an airport security officer. I walked up to her. I was brave.
Excuse me, I need to know where the gate for Flight 722 is. I'm late.
Gate B12, straight ahead and to the left. You have to hurry.
I stopped. I took a deep breath. I tried to stay calm and think carefully. Dad always said, "Stay calm, find a helper." I remembered his words.
The airport was so big. There were so many people. I did not know where to go.
Mom and Dad looked everywhere for us. Mom called our names very loudly. How can I help you?
Excuse me, I am lost. My mom and dad are not here. Please help me.
What is your dad's name? His name is David. We found 2 lost children. Please come.
The officer took us to a safe waiting area. We sat on a bench together.
Do not worry. Mom and dad will come soon.
We waited. My heart was beating fast. Then I heard a sound at the door.
The door opened. Mom and Dad ran inside. Their eyes were full of happy tears.
Dad ran to me and hugged me very tight. I felt safe again. I started to cry too.
Mommy.
We all hugged together. It was the best feeling in the world. We were safe.
Peter, I am so proud of you. You were very brave today.
I remembered what you taught me, Dad. I found a helper and stayed calm.
We all thanked the kind officer. You are welcome. Stay together. We walked together to our gate. We held hands and stayed very close this time.
We were on the airplane. I looked out the window. I thought about the big day.
Today you learned something very important, Peter. Do you know what it is?
I said, stay calm. ask for help, speak clearly, and never leave the family alone. I looked at the clouds and smiled. Today was scary, but I was brave, and I learned a lot. The next morning, I woke up at home. The sun was shining. It was a beautiful day.
We all had breakfast together. There were pancakes and orange juice. Yummy!
Anna gave her bear some pretend tea. She laughed and laughed. We all laughed too.
After breakfast, Dad and I sat together. Everything was back to normal. I felt so good.
Now let me teach you some new English words from today's story. Word 1, airport. Word 2, lost. When you cannot find your family, you are L-O-S-T. Have you been lost before? Word 3, C-A-L-M. When you are not scared and you think clearly, you are C-A-L-M. Stay calm. Word 4, H-E-L-P-R. A helper is someone who helps you. The officer was our helper.
Word 5, reunite. When your family comes back together, you R-E-unite. It is a happy word.
Word 6, be-are-ave. When you do something scary but you do it anyway, you are be-are-ave. I was brave. Let me tell you the story again, Pass. Short and simple. Today, we went to JFK Airport. Anna and I went into a toy shop. When we came out, Mom and Dad were gone. We were lost. I stayed calm. I found a helper. I spoke clearly in English. Then our family reunited. The lesson today? Stay calm, ask for help, and speak clearly. You can do it too.
That is the end of today's story.
Thank you so much for watching with us today.
If you like this story, please give us a big thumbs up. We love you so much.
Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell so you never miss a new story.
We are the Glow-Tots family. We make slow English stories every week just for you.
See you in the next story. Goodbye from Glow-Tots Nursery Rhymes. Bye-bye.